big news on these social media addiction cases, these cases involving Meta, Google, TikTok, Snapchat. These defendants have suffered a tremendous setback in these cases that are going on. How? So for years, these defendants have argued that they can't be responsible for the harm being caused to kids on their platform because this Section 230, a law, protects them from the content that's being uploaded on their platforms. So they're basically saying, hey, we're hosting these platforms, we're giving people a place to talk, but we can't be responsible for what the people are saying to each other and if bad things are happening to people while they're talking on this platform. That's been a defense that's had some success. But recently, a California judge has specifically found that injuries to kids in these cases are not caused by the content, so to speak, between the people, but by the design or algorithm underneath and behind the platforms. That's what's causing the problem. And that is not something that they can use Section 230 for as a defense. It becomes a negligence case for putting out a negligent product or platform or algorithm. This is huge. It means 230 doesn't apply and can't be used as a defense. And it means that the focus for the cases is not what the kids are looking at, but how the platforms are intentionally keeping kids engaged, scrolling, and ultimately addicted to the product. So in addition, outside of the country, in the UK, they're making plans, and they've announced plans to completely ban children under 16 years old, all kids under 16 years old, from even using social media. That's drastic, but other countries are looking into it, and the reality is the U.S. may not be far behind. Also, the social media cases just got even bigger, expanding beyond the big four players, Meta, TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube. Recently, in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, the Bucks County case lawsuit that's been brought against these big four has now been amended to include additional platforms, X and Discord, alleging that those platforms also failed to implement parental controls and have algorithms that have exposed children to grooming, exploitation, and other serious harms. In addition, the suit and these amendments also include allegations against X's AI chatbot, Grok. And the significance of that is now the question is not just whether these platforms are addictive, it's becoming whether the platforms and their AI tools are designed in such a way that expose children to a foreseeable harm. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if other cases follow this lead and start adding additional defendants and claims and theories to their cases. So are these social media cases winding down? Not even close. If anything, they're growing, they're adding claims, they're adding defendants, and they're adding theories. So these are big developments, but we will continue to follow them and give you updates as they occur.